Hey everyone, Miss Claire here. If you are taking the Science 5005 test, then I'm going to do some free cards, go over some free cards with you right now. So one thing you'll have to know is who worked on universal gravitation. As soon as you hear gravity, you should think about this person and develop the three laws of motion, which form the basic principles of modern physics. This is going to be Isaac Newton. So Isaac Newton. Who discovered radioactive elements, polonium and radium? This is going to be Marie Curie. So you're going to have to know Marie Curie. Who formulated a model of the universe that placed the sun rather than the earth at the center of the universe? That would be Copernicus. Copernicus. So let's go back and see if we remember those three. Who worked on universal gravitation? Remember, gravitation is going to be Newton. Discover the radioactive elements, polonium and radium. That's going to be Marie Curie. And then formulated a model of the universe that placed the sun rather than the earth at the center of the universe. This is Copernicus. So these are my free science study cards. I have about 28 of them. The great thing with Quizlet is you can go take a test on those cards now. You can see it'll be in multiple choice, just like your ETS practice test. You can change this down here to be, I don't like typing the answer, so you can change the options. I think now that I'm changing this, it will always be like that. So you can see worked on universal gravitation. You're going to know that is Isaac Newton. You can also do Learn, which goes through all the flashcards. So there's a lot of great stuff you can do with these Quizlet cards. If you like the way I did this, my classes, I usually go through 3 to 5 of the cards. You can, and then I'll go back and quiz you on them. You can mute yourself. You don't have to have your video on. You can chat the answer. So if you want to join my classes, I have that in the files. I have the classes. I also have on my website, learningsmiles.org. You can just go to www.learningsmiles.org. This is where you'll see my website, but I have the Praxis Quizlet cards, and I'll try to include a link below this video. We have all these free Quizlet cards that you can kind of check out. And then I have a Praxis group schedule. So if you want to join my classes, here's the schedule, and you can just purchase the group session right there. One more thing, just in case you're still watching this and you want to see where the Facebook files are. I get a lot of questions about where are the Facebook files. So if you go to the Facebook group, let's see if I go to my group. If you're a part of the Praxis group that I am admin of, and you're wondering where can I get a bunch of free information and study guides, all you have to do is right up here, you'll see that there are files. And I have my Quizlet cards there, but there's also a lot of really helpful information that other students have added to this. So there's that. There's also media, which is like pictures of notes. So it's a great thing to check out. All right, guys, have a great night.